YouTube, to Peterson Auto. So, these Foxbody's little 93 4-cylinder. These Foxbody's are known for this nasty peeling molding here. It's plastic on top of aluminum, and they just suck. So we got some kind of little temporary fix, and it works for that. They do sell replacements, they're not too expensive. But since I'm doing body work, I thought, why not give it a try? These mirrors, they always fade and look horrible. Hit them with tire shine and whatnot, and they usually look half decent for a little bit. But I don't have that kind of time. So we're going to give you a fix for those too. Getting another before and after. You have two nuts in here. There's a cover on the other side that's held in with the screw for the mirror. That's it. And then the molding that would go along here, from the underside inside the door, there's a screw that goes through this hole. The whole molding just slides right off. I'm missing one of these little rivet clips here, I think. But it was held on pretty good, so we're going to see how that works. I'm going to clean that all up before I put the new ones on. But we do have the new pieces over here ready for paint. The molding that would go here, I did cover with self-etching primer because it is bare metal, it is aluminum. Nothing sticks to aluminum, so the self-etching primer will help the paint stick. I'm using a standard bumper and trim coating. You know, it's going to give kind of like this kind of color here, so we'll see how that goes. So, got the primer drying. Once that's dry, I'll get the mirror masked up and we'll spray everything at once for you. Alright YouTube, we have the wonderful moldings painted. You can see there's a little gap here and a little gap here. There was little plastic parts that came out there. So, 10-foot car, looks great. Show car, no. But it looks a lot better, especially going down the road, than that shiny aluminum did hanging out. And the mirror isn't white. Use the bumper and trim coating from Duplicolor. I use that on a lot of parts like this. It holds up well, holds its color well. I could have got this to look a lot better by sanding it more, but it ain't in the cards right now. I'm not body working mirrors. I just want a quick fix, and that's the point of that. Something that takes you, less than a day to do. Take it off the car in the morning, sand it out, paint it, scuff it, shoot it, put it back on. Everything looks good. So we got rid of that horrible white color on the mirrors, so the mirrors actually look decent. This molding looks decent. Also did the wing in the process, and previous video you'll see I did a good bit of body work down here. Replaced a rotten spot, popped out a dent, fixed more of a dent. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like now, there you go, 93 Ford Mustang. Went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit. If I do those moldings on the bottom of the windshield next, I think it'll look really good on this side. So maybe when we do the other side's rot repair, instead of doing the spoiler again, which doesn't need done now, we'll do those moldings in the cowl. Make everything look really clean and really nice, just with a couple coats of paint. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Peterson Auto.